and welcome to Lipstick on a Rig. Today we're going to be making this incredibly simple cotton soap saver. And today I'm going to be working with size 3 lightweight natural cotton yarn. And this is some recycled cotton yarn that I found on Etsy, so I will link to that in the description for you. I'm also going to be working with a size F or 5 or 3.75 millimeter crochet hook. And we're going to begin our soap saver pattern by attaching the yarn to our crochet hook with a slip knot. And then we're going to chain 13. And if you're unfamiliar with any of the stitches used in this pattern, then please check the links in the description because I will have my stitch tutorials listed down there for you. And so from here, we're going to turn our work slightly and we're going to skip the last chain that we made. And working in the back loop only of our second chain from our crochet hook, we're going to place a double crochet. And we're going to continue placing double crochets in the back loops only for the rest of our row. And at the end of this row, you should have a total of 12 double crochets. So from here, you're going to turn your work, and now we're going to be working in the front loops only. We're going to be placing one double crochet in each of our front loops. And at the end of this row, you should have 13 double crochets. So your total in the round count should be 25 double crochet stitches. So from here, we're going to begin a continuous loop pattern, which means we won't be starting and stopping each of our individual rows, but instead our pattern is going to act like a spiral. I am going to choose to crochet in my back loop only for the rest of this pattern. So all I'm going to do is place a double crochet in the back loop only of each stitch in my row. And when you get to the end of your row, all you're going to do is just continue crocheting in either the full stitch or the back loop only until you get this to your desired length. And once you've gotten this to your desired length, which for me was 10 rows, then all we're going to do is place one single crochet in the back loop only of our next 5 stitches. And once you have your 5 single crochets in place, then you're just going to place one slip stitch in the back loop only of your next 3 stitches. And from here, we're just going to cut and tie off our yarn. And I'm going to weave my tail in the direction that I was crocheting for a few stitches and then up the inside of my soap saver. And next we're going to attach the yarn to our crochet hook using a slip knot, and then we're going to chain 45. And once you have your 45 chains in place, then we're just going to cut and tie off our yarn again. Next we're just going to weave this around the top of our soap saver. And once you're done weaving your chain along your top edge, then you can insert your soap and cinch up the top and tie these 2 chains together with a bow. And after that, you are done. Please let me know in the comments below if you experienced any issues while you were making this, and I will do my best to help you out. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, Lipstick on a Rig. Thank you so much for working with me, and I hope you have a wonderful, awesome day.